Right, this one we're going underside, the sides to the black. Just drop best line I can on it. It says, don't matter if I hit the grey, but try and stay below it.
This wide beam needs to be stripped back completely from the waterline down and underneath.
Oh, look at all that lot.
Everything below the waterline needs to come back to bare steel before repainting.
It's only a small one today, 35 foot, plenty of room. Right, let's make a start.
Sandblasting is just controlled abrasion, removing old paint, rust, and contamination until only clean steel remains. Mick is working with 425 CFM compressor at around 125 psi, using crushed glass and iron silicate blend. Everything you're seeing is real-time. No shortcuts, especially underneath. From the waterline down, every inch gets the same treatment. Tight spots underneath take the most time, but that's where it matters. Slow passes. Even coverage. No rushing. Underneath is always the worst area. coatings fail first, and rust gets a head start. This is where proper prep really counts. That's the sides completed and most of the so-called easy stuff done. Now the hardest bit to film and blast the base plate. Time to get cold, wet and dirty. Yeah, look at that floor, it was cold as well as wet and he kneels without hesitation. Also, he has to fully lay on that floor to reach the full base plate. That alone has to be worth a like. Let's clean the lamp up to get a nice clear shot of these barnacles been blasted away. Have we to have a close-up slow-mo of that? This is the same area the slow-mo was. Remember me saying it's hard to film? Out of the full base plate, these next shots are the only usable content.
Sneakers on because I fell in, what do I call it? I fell in this water thing down here. Barnacles on floor. I fell down here. Got wet through. I was concentrating on my line, making sure my line was nice. And then I fell down here.
This is what we're aiming for. Clean, uniform steel, ready for primer and paint.
Oh, chuffing lamp's heading off. That lamp's heading off. It's telling me it's flat. Flatters run out, what I call it. It's at the bottom of the D-bar. Glass. This morning was glass. That one that sweepings up off the bottom of the van. Bits of glass and bits of iron silicate. I think this is iron silicate. Yeah, it's iron silicate. They get painted tomorrow. Hopefully David's going to try and film it for me, so see if there's a clip at the end of the year. See if we can get some video of it painting. But that's me done for now.
Unfortunately, David was super busy and did not manage to get any painting clips. That's the job done. If you enjoy watching proper prep and real work, There's more coming.